Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and just the last few days, we have been stuck between 35.80s on the upside, 82, 82, 80 last night, and 42 to 45-ish on the bottom. So 42 quarter, 42.75 in around the close yesterday, and 45. So basically a 35 handle going on 40 handle range. And they're just, they're battling out over the 9-day. You've got the new weekly pivot sitting in there, 35.7692. Volume weighted average price comes in today, 68 and change. Your hourly mid-band is at 67. So last week was marked by 3 days of attempted support at weekly pivot, and then the back end of the week was all about resistance at weekly pivot. We had some nice volatility into the close on Friday, which made it for what was just kind of a choppy day. We did more in the last hour than we did for the majority of the morning, excluding a couple of nice ones along the way. So it was a good way to end the week. But most of the day on Friday was this right here. And what they did was they put in 5 going on 6 hours of support at that hourly midband. Then they broke it like it wasn't even there. Took it right back down to 42, and then ramped it back up. So it was an interesting close. Now, what have the bears done to capitalize on that close? Nothing at all. So you had a little gap up last night. Prince 55 heads up to 76. Tried to get up on top of the new weekly pivot, and it's now slipping back in and heading back towards 67 and a test of the hourly midband. So we'll see how we open today. We have an opportunity to get a little bit directional today if they're able to muster it. The bottom line for the bulls is convert 74, which is the 9-day, convert weekly pivot, which is 77, and take out the highs from the last few days. They're up at 92. And expand this range up towards 3,600. If you're the bears, it's also pretty simple. Hold the line here, where you've been holding the line for the last 3 sessions. Get your butt back down to 42, and this time expand the range to the downside and do something about it. If the answer to both of those questions is no, then we continue to have our range, which is fine. It's a wide enough range. You can get a lot of work done in that range. Plenty of handles in that range to get work done. So as we head into the open, it's a Monday open, so I will be sitting back and watching it do its thing anyway. I don't like making big decisions first thing in the morning on Monday morning. We're flat now. We'll be flat into the bell, and then we'll see how it develops. I'll be interested to see where they put in the morning high or the morning low, and we can extend upward or downwards from there. But the rubber meets the road for the week ahead at the edges of the already established range. The battle lines are there. Somebody has to expand this range either to the upside or the downside. If they can do that, then they can seek some of the highs from last week or the lows from a couple weeks ago, and we'll see if we have support or resistance in those areas. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, be careful out there. Take care, be kind to each other, trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.